Good day everyone! It's me again, Jovelyn Kanumay, your Chef Tamsi! So for today's recipe, I'm going to show you isa pong recipe na famous po sa Dalagit, Cebu. Ito po ay tinatawag nila na banana meat. So, hindi pa kayo nakatikim ng banana meat, no? So, I'm gonna show you po mamaya. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Jovelyn Kanumay. And don't forget also to hit the notification bell para po sa mga updated videos na i-upload ko. And you can also leave comment, suggestion, or anything po doon sa baba. So, hindi ko na papatagalin para excited na tayo na makita yung recipe na banana meat. So, see you later! So ngayon, ito na po ang aking banana meat. So, it's very simple lang naman siya. It's typical a banana at saka yung meat. And together, mas masarap siya i-partner sa ketchup. But what about, the good thing about this one is, yung marinated na yung, yung minced pork mo, you can also put chicken or beef if ayaw nila yung mga pork. So, you can, add anything this one. But the most na mas masarap na together with this one is yung pork. Kasi yung pork is mag-aagaw yung medyo maalat-alat niya tsaka yung tamis ng banana. So, pwede po itong pag-snacks. Doon po sa mahilig mag-diet-diet, you can use less fatty oil or olive oil, kung ano po yung gusto nyo. And this one also can be a snacks. So, ito, binibenta ko po ito na 15 each. Kasi, malaman na siya, may meat, tapos may You can also add this one with mayonnaise if you want. But the best partner, this one, is the ketchup. So, yun po. Sana po nagustuhan ninyo ang aking recipe na banana meat. And wag po niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. It's Jovelyn Kanumay. And you can also leave messages and comments over there. So, that's for my recipe today. So, see you again. Bye!